Let's look again, guys. What else is there? Wow, magic! This is Allosaurus, guys.
They went north with some other T-Rexes. Where?
Allosaurus is the very big guys. Besides this animal eating carnivore.
With me in the observation car.
Let's look again, guys. What else is there? Wow! This is Tyrannosaurus Rex. The short called is T-Rex.
Close to solving your mystery.
Besides that, this animal is also the predatory, guys. This animal is a cannibal.
Let's look around and see if we can find any clues that the T-Rexes were here.
Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. You are still with me, guys. What in this top bubble? Wow! This is Spinosaurus, guys. This animal is a carnivore. Woo! Spinosaurus is the very large, guys, and a very weak predatory animal. Woo! So scary, guys.